will be
Okay.
making some slime.
All right, cool. All right, good job, Brad. So what do we need for slime?
Borax, glitter, activate.
Well, this is shaving cream, right?
This is shaving cream.
Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the heavy starch. We're not going to use this,
This
actually.
is glue. This is glue.
So we're going to start off with the glue, the shaving cream.
We got some food coloring.
And then we have to make a slime activator, which comprises of water and borax. And when we're going to mix it all together, then we're going to have slime. Are you ready? Now, first we're going to make the slime activator. So we got water, and we're going to pour it, borax, like a tablespoon, into the water. Now let's stir it up a bit.
Yep, you go. I'll stir it up.
All right, that should be good. Okay, put the spoon down. So now, step one is the glue.
Yep.
So you're going to add glue into here. Okay.
What's that?
Just the top. We got to take the top off. Oops. All right. Pour some glue in. Enough to.
That's good.
Yeah, that should be good. Maybe a touch more. Let's put a touch more in. Make it a little bit more.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, that's all the glue we're gonna need.
All right. Now shaving cream. Here,
Yeah.
shake it up. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Or squirt it in equal parts of shaving cream and
Hi.
glue.
Ah.
Do it hard.
I am doing it hard.
Here, let's tilt it a little more.
You do it. I think that's good.
That's good. Okay.
Now we need to start mixing, but first let's go get.
Put a little food coloring in.
Yep. Which good are we gonna be using?
Let's see. Do a little green. A couple more drops in. Okay, that's good. Now we'll put a little glitter in.
Yep.
We want purple or blue?
Blue.
Blue glitter. Can I put some in?
Yep.
Oh, it's a lot.
Yep.
All right, now
We need to start mixing.
start mixing it.
And you mix it while I put in the activator.
Okay, well you gotta wait till it's mixed up good first.
Okay. Then you just bring the activator.
Okay, so we
to my
get good. Oh, this is looking good here. This almost looks like lime jello. Remember, you don't touch your hands, right? Don't touch your face, or you definitely don't eat this.
I
Okay.
know.
All right, now pour some. Now you don't have to pour all of it in. Just pour maybe a quarter of it in.
That's good.
Okay. Now we'll see how this. Oh, it's starting to activate. It's starting to slime up. Come on, use your hands and do it.
No.
Why not? You're making.
Start mixing some more. It still looks very sticky.
Oh, okay. Then put a little more, just a touch more activator in. That's good. All right, now all you gotta do is just mix it up and
With
we've got
my
slime.
hands.
Okay, pour it off. Ooh, it's all over my fingers. Make sure you keep it in front of the camera here, so you can see.
Wow.
I got a little bit of slime here.
This is my slime.
Well, it's all sticky still.
Yeah, that's why we're going to need to play with it some more.
Do you need more activator, you think, or is it just takes time to play with it?
It takes time to play with it.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, now it's really coming out good.
Your piece.
How's
Mine
yours?
still sticky.
Still sticky? Oh, mine's still sticky too a little bit. All right, well that's. And then we'll stretch it out.
Yeah.
I don't really see much glitter in here. I guess I didn't put enough glitter.
Yeah. I think we need some more activator.
Okay, then put it in.
If I
It's
can
stuck
get it
here.
off.
Oh no.
That's how sticky it is.
Okay.
I think you should pour it in.
Okay. Okay, that should be enough. Pick the whole thing up. Start squeezing it, pushing it,
Let
kneading
me
it.
just get this soaked up some more.
Okay.
Wow. It's getting a little less stickier. Getting a little less sticky.
Good. All right, well, that's pretty cool. All right. Well, that is how we made slime with just a few ingredients. You ready to say bye to the camera?
Bye.
What do you gotta tell them? Subscribe?
You do.
No.
You.
Bye. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.